Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this video is about how to straighten really curly hair. I'm doing it on my long hair, but this method also works for medium and short hair. And in the video, I'm going to show you what tools I use so you know what you need at home so you can achieve the same look really fast. Let's get to it. Of course, you've got to wash and lather your hair and make sure it's really clean. With this method, my hair will last about 4 days looking like this. This hair that I'm doing right now was washed and dried yesterday. So this is what it looks like day 2. It looked even better day 1. But day 2 looks like this, and it keeps about the same look for day 3, and then day 4 it's a little drier looking. But still, I can go out and I only have to wash my hair maybe twice a week, if that. And that's what's going to keep my hair really healthy, by minimizing the washing and the drying time. The hair tools I use in the video are from Eber. He's worked with the best of technology to make the highest quality tools at a very affordable price. I know Eber. I've met him. I go to his salon all the time in Montecito. Milou is my hairdresser, and she's French. And she has done an incredible job of coloring my hair and styling my hair and making my hair beautiful. But not every day can I go to the salon. That's a wonderful event. But it doesn't happen as often as I'd like. I have to do my hair at home. I'm a busy person. The results with Milou in the salon are ultimately incredible. But doing it at home with Eber's tools has helped me to get the same look. Believe it or not, I can do it myself, and this is my method. After I've washed my hair, I let my hair somewhat air dry, and then I coil it up and I put it in a whole lot of sections on my head. I start from the top of my head and then work around to the sides. So there's probably about 8 sections, maybe more, because every one of those sections is going to have its own blow dry treatment. It is so important that you have a great blow dryer, because if you don't, it's going to take you forever to dry your hair. And you can damage your hair if you don't have the right temperature on your hair. Eber has invented and is now producing this direct hair blow dryer. It has all the attachments for every kind of hair. The cord is a heavy-duty professional cord with almost 6 feet of length. You just plug it in and go. And it twirls around so nothing ever gets stuck or caught up or kinked up. If I want to wear my hair natural, I just snap on the diffuser and then I blow my hair dry with that. It lets me see all those great curls underneath, but that's not typically the style I like to wear. It's fun for this video just to show you. I put on the hairdryer nozzle with the director of the air, and I direct it to hit my round brush. This is a medium-large round brush, so it makes it very efficient as I'm blow drying my hair. It's getting every hair on that round brush. Eber designed it that way. There's also another size that's slightly smaller. So depending on your brush and your styling, you can choose either size. The dryer delivers 1100 watts of power. It's got a strong motor, and the blower channels air one way, direct. It has a variable power and temperature controls, so you can decide what you like. The strong and hot, which is what I use because I want to get through this quickly, or you can choose a lighter heat too. The blow dryer has a tourmaline iconic technology that eliminates frizz for a silky smooth result. Has 3 heat settings and 2 speeds for complete drying and styling flexibility, and it also has that cool shot release burst of cool air to lock in your style for your curls. After I blow dry every section of my hair, then it's time I use my flat iron. The infrared wet dryer flat iron is an extra wide 2-inch steam venting plate. Now here's my demonstration of Eber's infrared wet dry. It has a temperature control. It goes up to 400 degrees. I had mine on a little lower than that. It can be used on wet or dry hair. I use it on damp hair. It has a penetrating deep heat for healthy, shiny results. Well, check this out. I was really excited by the Vibrating Flatiron. It's 1.5 inches, and it's a vibrating tourmaline ceramic plate that works on your hair. You can hear it vibrate. It has this oscillating technology. That's a new feature I've never seen before. It has a really easy glide, which means there's less damage to my hair. And it's 2 times faster in straightening than any other flat iron I've used. This Vibrating Flatiron is great for thick, coarse, and curly hair types, which is a type I have. With the Vibrating Flatiron, there's an extra low friction point, and that's what creates amazing curls or waves or a Brazilian-worthy straight look. It has a great ergonomic grip and a 360-degree swivel cord, so it won't get tangled. It also comes with a dual voltage. It can either go 110 volts or 240 volts. He's thought of that. The heat settings on this Vibrating Flatiron are great. They're not too hot, so it's not going to burn your hair. And with that oscillating technology, you get your results faster. Because I know if I do too much heat treatment on my hair, it's going to get dried out and have a lot of split ends and break. I like to minimize the heat applications on my hair. And Jose Eber has figured out the perfect temperatures of all of his heat tools so that it doesn't hurt your hair. And for my hair, I wanted to go with the straight look. I love this look. I think it makes me look younger. What do you think? You may know that Jose Eber is the stylist for the celebrities. So he's chosen the favorite appliances he uses in his salon and tweaked them for home use so you can have the same celebrity looks. And these hair tools come with a 2-year warranty too. As much as I enjoy going to Jose Eber's beautiful salon in Montecito, and I've also been to the one in Beverly Hills, most of the time I need to do my hair by myself, and that's going to happen in my home. Click link below to get your Jose Eber hair tools. They're amazing. I love his advancement in technology. I want to get my hair done fast because I got a heck of a lot to do outside my house. And that includes me looking as good as I can every day. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and click the link to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes, like a recipe for a great hair day. See you next time. If you like this video on hair, check out these. I've got a whole lot of them on my channel. I hope you like them.